Hindi na kayang i-edit ang dami ng taong sumusuporta sa kanya. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
At habang naglalakad tayo, isigaw na natin ang nasa loob natin!
Duterte! Duterte! Duterte!
At ang sigaw ng mga Dabaweños ay...
We will never get tired until you are home in Davao! Tatay Digong!
We are waiting for your comeback time! Mabuhay ang Davao! Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!
Daghang salamat sa inyong sakripisyo, sa inyong mataganinang adlaw just to join this event, this very momentous event. Something unique that we celebrate our 88th araw ng Davao. This is a very special moment for everyone.
Today, we made a history that the people will never forget! Today is the day when the world will never forget who we stand for as Dabaweños! Isang malaking hiyaw! Pauwiin si Tatay Digong! And who are we standing for?
Duterte! Duterte!
Taos puso po natin ginagawa to, walang bayad, tama?
Tama!
Mayaman tayo!
Maraming salamat sa inyo.
If only you could see yourselves from our point of view, this is a very emotional moment for us.
Hindi ito edited! Ganito kami kalaban! We love you, Tatay Digong! Hihintayin namin ang pag-uwi mo! Paalaman ka namin!
Ibalik sa Pilipinas si Tatay Digong! We stand with FDRRD! If only Tatay Digong could see this, kahit man lang sa video, but I'm sure the spirit that we have here right now is radiating all the way to the Hague, Netherlands.
Order!
And we are really praying for the immediate release of our Tatay Digong. Maraming salamat, Dabaweño. Ang haba pa nito. More than 3,000 of you shouting the same name.
Alam niyo ba, hindi lang sinasabi nila na ito yung mga ordinaryong citizen ng Davao City o ng Davao. Kayo po ay sinasamahan din kahit yung mga milyonaryo kasama nyo
Mercy joins the Solidarity Walk for FPRRD.
Barangay 14-B community.
We call for justice and we feel for our beloved and respected former president.
Eto barangay namin, Barangay Alfonso Amyong Mercy. Mga kabarangay. Barangay Salsa, Leia, mga barangay mo. Mga taga Salsa, magingay. Barangay Salsa. Asa ba taga Salsa? Barangay 3-A. Magingay ng Malacan. Tawal ba?
I didn't really expect na ganito kadami. I was only, looking at 1,000. Boy, this looks like 5,000 of them joining here this morning. Maraming salamat po.
Barangay Komunal.
Yes, protect the Filipino people.
Now let's welcome
Join
ang pagsik ng 2nd Congressional District Contingent!
Dear Tatay Digong, kami imong mga anak nagpaabot sa imong pagulit diri sa Davao. We are stronger and we will be louder for you, FPRRD. See you sa imong birthday po, Tay. We love you.
Barangay Dumoy.
Barangay Dumoy, mabuhay. Mabuhay kayong lahat.
Barangay Pampanga.
Barangay Aglionga.
Itaas ang banner para Secretary. I am not a sub-Saharan for nothing!
Yes. Oh, yes.
From the beautiful people of Wakanda!
Yes.
I'm asking everyone, let's have a unified chant, okay? Bring Tatay Digong home in 3, 2, 1, go!
Praise Tatay Digong home!
Home! Bring Tatay Digong home! Bring Tatay Digong home!
Bring Tatay Digong home! Bring Tatay Digong home!
Okay, we will say President Duterte